Hello, my name is Jeffrey Metcalf, and I'm a technical marketing engineer with Cisco's Data Center Product Group. This video is part of a series that is intended to show some of the unique advantages made possible by Cisco's server offering called the Unified Computing System, or UCS for short. This video will show the viewer the details of a revolutionary new Cisco UCS Power Calculator, a tool built on a Restful API architecture. The API-driven architecture enables integration opportunities with a number of Cisco tools, as well as third-party non-Cisco tools like data center infrastructure management applications that can connect directly to the Power Calculator and assist users with data center infrastructure planning. The UCS Power Calculator contains many new features. It would be impossible to explore each of them during this short video. Therefore, I will highlight some of the more interesting features like templates and projects, which store user-specific configuration data to improve agility and accelerate collaboration among users. So let us begin. The new UCS Power Calculator is located at ucspowercalc.cisco.com. After accepting the end-user license agreement, I can proceed to the project pane where I select New Project. Next, I will change the project name to something more descriptive and commit the change by selecting the Save icon. Cisco UCS hardware is added to the project by selecting the specific type of server or fabric from the menu tree. For example, I will select C-Series to display the available rack mount servers. The new user interface displays an image of the server as well as a high-level description. The description includes the number of processor sockets, memory slots, storage bays, I/O slots, and server height in rack units. In order to quickly explore several more new features, I select the B-Series server menu and add a UCS 5108 blade chassis to the project. I configure the blade chassis as grid redundant with 208 volt AC input. I select 4 power supplies and the 2204 I/O module where the default quantity is 2. After adding the blade chassis to the project, a navigation window appears directing me to the Add Blade link below the chassis. I select this link to configure and add blade servers to the chassis. I start by configuring a single B200M4 with 2 processors, 12 DIMMs, 2 SSDs, and 1 virtual interconnect. I adjust the system workload factor to 40%. For this example, the blade is configured as an Exchange server. The configuration is a standard solution for my hypothetical organization. Therefore, I want to save the configuration details to use again in the future. I select Save Template, enter a unique name, Exchange, and select Save. Before adding the blade to the chassis, I reconfigure the B200M4 blade as a hypervisor. I change the processor type, increase the memory, change the storage, and add another virtual interconnect. I increase the system workload factor to 70% and save the configuration as a template. As before, I select Save Template, enter a unique name, hypervisor, and select Save. To view the saved templates, I select Cancel to return to the Add Blade menu. As you see, both templates are available, and I add both templates to the chassis. I increase the quantity of each blade to 4, and I edit the name field of each blade in the project file to apply a unique name. Another new feature is the ability to support different input voltages for items in the project file. For example, as you recall, the old blade chassis that was added to the project earlier used 208 volt AC. If I added another item to the project, say a redundant pair of fabric interconnects, I can select a different input voltage. For this example, I select 48 volt DC and add the fabric interconnects to the project. No other power calculator allows this type of flexibility. At the top of the project pane, the input power and current at the selected workload factor are displayed. Additional details are available by selecting View Results. The results are displayed by server and fabric type in a table format. The results include system workload power, system workload current, system workload cooling, maximum power, maximum current, idle power, idle current, and weight. Under each item in the table, there is a pull-down menu which displays detailed configuration information. After reviewing the detailed results, I can share my project by selecting Export. The ability to export and import project files is another powerful feature which greatly enhances collaboration. To finish the demonstration, I've opened the Cisco UCS Power Calculator using a different browser. I will import the project file exported earlier. On the project page, I select Import and browse to the project file. I accept the original project name. After importing, I can select the project to edit. As I scroll through the project work pane, I can expand the blade chassis to validate that the Exchange and Hypervisor blade servers configured earlier are present. This straightforward example shows how the new UCS Power Calculator is packed with new features, where the most impressive feature is the Restful API, an industry first. This is truly another Cisco UCS advantage. Some of the REST resources to assist developers are shown here. The API-driven architecture is available publicly and will enable integration with a number of Cisco tools. Integration is not limited to Cisco only. Non-Cisco tools, including data center infrastructure management applications, can fetch their own power estimates going forward. This is truly a forward-thinking concept which was recognized by Gartner, the world's leading information technology research and advisory company. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you enjoyed the video tour. To recap, generating and sharing accurate server power estimates can be challenging in many environments, and the Cisco UCS Power Calculator helps by enabling users to store and share configuration details through templates and projects. In addition, the REST architecture enables integration opportunities with a number of data center tools. This ends the UCS Advantage video, where we show how unique capabilities in the Cisco UCS can lead to simplified deployment models with much faster service turnarounds to meet the increasing demands of the business. Please go to www.cisco.com/go/UCS for printed collateral, including a brochure that highlights the information shown in this video. Thank you.